gonna stop? What are you doing? What are you doing? All right. Well, no stopping this guy. And that train is still standing there. Let's go find out what's going on. Oh. Okay, guys with a rifle. Let's go check it out. Police officer, or at least I think it's a police officer with a rifle. Hope it is a police officer. Stay back. Going from car to car. All right, let's go check it out. You guys know what's going on? No? Nobody knows what's going on? What's going on, do you know? Thanks. Hey, do you know what's going on? Cool. The smart people are leaving. You guys know what's going on?
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
Suddenly it stops.
Maybe there's some security concern or something.
All right, thanks. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Stay far back. Behind the pillar. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 police personnel with guns drawn. There's a knife I see, quite a large knife. I would say it's about 12 inches. It looks like a kitchen knife. Some person looks like it's arrested in a red jacket. Here's an officer with a knife. I think that's our train on the other side. That first officer is holding the weapon. In a red jacket has been handcuffed, so it'll be safer than normal, I guess. Nobody's behind us. Good. Let's go up a bit. Guy's got an orange. I don't know if that's a shotgun or not. Anyway, so and the cops are leaving the station. Perfect. What's wrong?
I asked them to catch every madman. It's too many. It's destroying people's lives.
Yeah, I know. They did a good job. All right. Great job, everybody. Good job. Thank you for coming out. Thank you. All right, let's get back in there. All right, here we go. Oh, wrong one. All right, back to our regularly scheduled subway mission. Catch you guys in a few. They grabbed somebody there with a knife. Did you see?
I saw.
Fucking knives this big.
I thought it was a ruler.
No,
I thought it was a ruler when from a distance and he came closer. I saw it.
yeah, it's always a knife incident on the subway.
Yeah, hard to know.
It's good. It's good. I like it. It's more. Gives it excitement. It's more like New York. It's good. It's good. You know, it's fine. You gotta live with it. All right, back on the trail. Woo-hoo. Nobody's armed here, right? Good, good. All right, check you guys later.